Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to install Blender on macOS 13 Ventura. Open web browser. Go to google.com. Type here in Google search bar. Download Blender. Here it is, let's click on it. Click on first official website link, www.blender.org. Now our website is open. Click on Download Blender 3.5.1. Now the downloading is started. It is 280.4 MB software. Downloading will take some time. It's depend on your internet speed. After downloading completed, let's close web browser. Click on Finder. Click Downloads. Here it is our Blender software. Let's right-click on it. Open with Disk Image Mounter. Let's close Downloads. Drag Blender and drop to Applications. Let's close Installer. Eject Blender disk. Click on Launchpad. Click on Blender app. Click Open. Now the Blender software is open. Click Next. Click Start. Blender is the free and open source 3D creation suite. It supports the entirety of the 3D pipeline modeling, rigging, animation, simulation, rendering, compositing and motion tracking, even video editing and game creation. Let's close Blender software. Click Don't Save. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to install Blender on macOS 13 Ventura. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.